Hi, I'm Hannah Steeves Carney with Rebecca Steeves Realty, and today we're going to be talking about what's happening in our market. As a realtor, in the last year, every time we talk to someone, they say, "What's going on? The market seems crazy." A lot of people think that it was caused by the pandemic, but this actually started in fall of 2019. Mortgage rates started dropping, and that led for more accessibility in the housing market. As well, building costs have been on the rise since 2014. As an example, last year, OSB, which is a plywood alternative, went from $13 a sheet to $40 a sheet. So people who would normally consider building have realized they can do a lot more in the resale market. Both of these things have made for more buyers, and so in the fall of 2019, we started to see the beginning of our seller's market. Then, with COVID, people started getting rightfully more nervous, not wanting to list their homes and having people come through. So we saw a decrease in inventory and a rise in buyers. There was also a change in needs for buyers. Millennials are moving here wanting more space, they've got growing families, they've realized that they can get a lot more for their money in New Brunswick. And boomers have started retiring, selling their larger, more expensive homes in other places, and coming to New Brunswick, where they can have just as nice a home, but for more affordability with more disposable income. All of this has added to more buyers in the market and less inventory, which means the market is more competitive. Great for sellers, not as great for buyers. For more tips on buying and selling in a seller's market, check out our Facebook page and look at our website, frederictonhomes.com. Thanks for watching.